我受夠啦！呢一句說話點樣可以講得型少少呢？我受夠啦！呢句說話嘅意思就係我唔想再忍受一啲嘢或者一個人。講呢句說話可能係想表達唔想繼續容忍，或者只係一種發洩。不過如果你係咁講呢，你就會變咗有一種厭世嘅感覺啦。我受夠啦！呢一句說話咧，英文有好多唔同嘅表達方式嘅。咁我自己比較中意用咧，就用 done 呢一個形容詞。咁常見嘅用法咧就係用 be 加 done，be done。最簡單嘅用法咧就係用 I'm done 作為獨立嘅表達。My boss just called me at 1 a.m. again. I'm done. My computer froze again. I'm done. 我哋亦都可以喺 I'm done 後面加唔同嘅嘢。第一個用法咧就係 I'm done 加動詞嘅 ing 形態，意思即係我受夠去做呢樣嘢啦。You always ask for advice but never listen. I'm done talking to you. She keeps complaining and never does anything to change her situation. I'm done comforting her. I'm done trying to please everyone. I'm done 後面咧亦都可以跟 with 跟一個名詞嘅，意思係我受夠呢一樣嘢啦。咁有一個加強版，大加一個 so 字落去。I'm so done with 加個名詞。I'm done with this job. It's draining the life out of me. She always cries to get her way. I'm done with her drama. I'm so done with these long, useless meetings. They're not productive at all. 之後教多大家3句我受夠啦，比較百搭嘅表達。I'm done with this. I'm done with this. I'm done with this nonsense. I'm done with this nonsense. I'm done with this BS. I'm done with this BS. 問下大家，我受夠某樣嘢啦。如果想大家表達 I'm done 後面加啲嘢，你哋會講咩呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。想揾私人英文補習老師咧，就歡迎私信我。想支持我繼續拍片或者想輕鬆地揾翻啲過去拍過嘅題材咧，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期都會有會員專屬嘅影片嘅。